Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up professional email with Squarespace and Google Workspace. Alright, let's begin. First, access settings in your Squarespace account. Verify that your domain is properly connected to your Squarespace site. This is crucial as your professional email will be associated with this domain. Next, select the Google Workspace option from the settings. You'll be prompted to choose a billing plan, either annually or monthly. For this example, select the annual plan. You will then need to fill out some information. For the username, decide what you want your email to be. Complete the required fields with your personal details and proceed to the payment section. After reviewing your order, finalize your purchase. If you need to change the currency during the process, click on the drop-down menu provided, which offers 4 currency options. A major benefit of setting up Google Workspace through Squarespace is that if you purchase an annual hosting plan with Squarespace, you receive a free custom domain and the first year of Google Workspace at no extra cost. This can be a significant incentive to go through Squarespace. Alternatively, you can opt to set up Google Workspace directly through Google's site. This approach can offer more direct control and simplicity, especially if you anticipate potentially moving away from Squarespace in the future. Managing everything through Google Workspace can be more streamlined since everything is centralized and accessible through Google. This way, you avoid complications that may arise from disconnecting services linked through a third party like Squarespace. Evaluate both options to determine which aligns best with your needs. If the incentive from Squarespace appeals to you and aligns with your business plans, it may be worthwhile to set it up through their service. However, if you prefer simplicity and foresee a possibility of changing platforms later, going directly through Google Workspace might be more suitable. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.